Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol CRMD. We will take a look at the daily time frame. I've done this one before, and except I've done the 30-minute, meaning each one of these represented 30 minutes. However, in this case, I'm doing the traditional daily chart, meaning that each one of these candlesticks does indeed represent an entire day. Rough movement today with a gap down, and then the price just continued to fall on the gap down, and all this occurring on well above average volume. So definitely a lot of eyeballs on this one. So I want to map out some levels of support and resistance going into Friday. First level of support is just a very famous level. In fact, if you have a basic understanding of charts, I'm sure you've heard of this area, but that is the 50-day simple moving average. And on my chart, that is being denoted there by the purple line there. While there's no such thing as a guarantee in the market, there is also a history called a self-fulfilling prophecy, whatever you want, where the 50-day does, it's not shocking if the price does find support at that area. Again, am I saying that's guaranteed? No, but nobody, assuming of course you use charts and understand charts, would be shocked if the price were to come down here around the $1.67 mark, the current value of that purple line, and find some support down around there. So that is definitely going to be the first area of support to keep an eye on going into Friday. If that level cannot hold up as support, the next key level to watch would be the bottom portion of this consolidation area over here, and that would be at $1.57. Again, you go back here and you can see that quite a bit of history with that area acting as support. So again, preferably speaking, yeah, staying above $1.67, that would be the best situation. If that doesn't hold up, then yeah, it would not be shocking at all to see the price head down to that $1.57 mark. What about levels of resistance? So if the price all of a sudden starts to turn itself around, where are some of these potential battlegrounds at? In terms where the sellers may be on any sort of bounce to the upside, first key area to keep an eye on would be right up there around the $2 mark. If the price can get back above $2, next key overarching level after that, right up around $2.25. But as things stand right now, in my opinion, at least, top priority is not necessarily breaking levels of resistance. It's more so about finding some sort of support and finding and starting to stabilize the price out. So we'll see if the bulls can get that job done or not. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.